press the red color subscribe button for subscribe the channel and hit bell icon for latest updates. Hello and welcome friends, I am Hemant. Today I will talk about IMO, how to someone blocked and unblock on IMO. Everybody asking how to block and unblock on IMO context. So we'll learn about this video, how to block and unblock. We'll start. So friends, let's start the video. Here we'll open our IMO. Please click on the IMO, then scroll down, then which contact you want to block, just choose the contact, then click on the contact. Yes, we'll choose Ajit. Yes, you can see, click on the Ajit name, click on the name, it will come like this. Then scroll down, then block, then this already unblock, this unblock, then click here for block this, it's block. Okay, pop-up will come like this, see the pop-up, then block, click on the block, then yes. Okay, here yes, then it's already blocked. Now its contact has been blocked. Now how to unblock, just see how to unblock the contact again. Just go here down, just click and just settings, and scroll settings, click on the settings, then scroll down, then go blocked contacts, then go block contacts. We'll click on block contacts, then choose the contact which you want to block. We'll choose the Ajit. Okay, then we'll choose Ajit, then click on that Ajit here. Yes, unblock it. Yes, it's simple, it has been unblocked now. So guys, we'll unblock and unblock like that only. It's so simple and easy. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe the channel, please like video, please share video, and comment on the comment section. Please have a nice day. We'll meet again. Bye bye friends.